Registration. To sign up for membership, click the Sign Up button in the upper right corner. Please fill out the contents of the registration form in order, and click the Sign Up button when you are done. Within the next 5 minutes, an email for user authentication will be sent to the email address you entered. Please click on Confirm your email address included in the sent mail. On the Login page, enter the email address and password you created for the first sign-up and click the Login button. After that, if there are no problems, membership registration and login are completed.